Hello guys, you are welcome to my video. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to design a custom header in Elementor. This is the header we are going to design. We are going to start with the first header, and after that we are going to design the second header. Not to waste time, let me go to my dashboard and I will show you the plugin I will be using. Okay, so this is my dashboard. Okay. So when I come to my plugins, you can see these are the plugin I'm going to use. I'm going to use Elementor Pro and Elementor Basic to design this header. So let me show you the theme I'll also be using for this training. Okay, so I'll go to appearance, then theme. Okay, so this is the theme that I'm using for this training, and that is the Hello Elementor theme. So from here, we are going to start creating our header. So to create our header, we need to create the header template. So how to create a header template? You can see template here. So I'll come to template builder. I'll click on template builder. Okay. So from here, this is the header I created before. So and that is going to be our reference header. So we are going to look on this one and recreate it again. So here I need to create another header. All right. So I'll click on add new. I'll click on add new, then click on header. So we want to create our header from scratch. So we don't need a custom template to create a header here. So I'm going to close from here, close it from here, and we are on our working environment right now. So from here, I will go to settings, then I'll go to preview settings. So let me go to general. Okay, then here I will name my header 2. Okay, so I will name it header 2 here, and I'll publish it. And I'll add a condition. Okay, so I can make it singular here, then save it like this. Okay, so from here, we are going to start designing our header. So let's check our preview side. So we are going to start with the first one here. So let me go back. So I'm going to create a section for that. So let me click on this, go to Flexbox, click on the first one. Okay, so from here, what am I going to do? I will select this section here, then I will go to advanced and untick the padding. Okay, that's good. So from here, I need, let me see here. So at the top one from here, I'm going to create 3 columns from here. So let me go back and add some container to this one. I will add my first container. Then duplicate this container. Duplicate it again. Okay. So from here, I will select the whole section. Go to my, I'll select the whole section again. Go to layout. Then I'll click on this one. Okay. So from here, I'm going to add, from here, let me remove the padding from it first. So I'll click here, remove the padding from here. I'll click on this one too, remove the padding from here. Then I'll click on this one too and remove the padding from here. So I'm going to add an image element to this. So I'll click here, look for an image element, image, then drag it inside. So from here, I'm going to select my image. I'm going to select my image from here. So I'll click on this, go to my download, and I'll select the image from here. Okay. Select. Okay. So from here, I'll copy this box. Okay, I'll copy this box, but before I do that, let me add the other content to the other box. So here, I want to add a bottom here. I want to add a bottom here. So I'll go to my element, look for my bottom element. I'll click my bottom element, put it here. Then here, I want to add a menu. So I'll go to my element panel, look for menu, then drag the menu inside. Okay, so I'll click on this container, go to layout, and give it a width of 20%. So from here, I'll also click on this one, do the same, go to layout, give it a width of 70%. Now let me make it 60%, sorry, 60%. Then I'll click on this one's also the container that has the button. So I'll do that here, click on that here, and I'll go to layout, give it 20%. Okay, just like this. All right. So from here, I'll select this container. Go to style. I'll select this container, sorry. Then go to align. I want to align it to the center. This one too, I'll align it to the center. The same thing. And from here, I'll send this one to the end. Okay, like this. Okay. So from here, I'll select the whole container here. Then I'll align it to the middle. Okay. Okay. So let me align this one to the middle. Okay. So like this. Okay. So I'm going to reduce the size of this one for a little bit. Go to here. Then let me reduce the size like this. I think like this is okay for now. Then I'll click on this button, then customize this button. Okay. I'll click on this one. I'll make it maybe book. Booking. Then I'll go to style. The background color, I will give it my cyan like this. Then I'll try to increase it. Let me increase it a little bit. Let me give it a padding. Okay, so I can give it a padding of, let's say, let me do this like this. Okay, and let me give it a padding of top 20, 15, 15. Let me untick this one. 30, 15, 30. Okay. So from here, I don't want the border radius, so I want to take the border radius like this. So, okay. So from here, I'll copy the top one again. Go to advanced. Then I'll give it a top padding of 15, bottom padding of 15, 15 like this. Okay, and I'll select the whole container. I'll select the whole container like this. Let me make this one a little bit big. Okay, like this. All right, so from here I'll select the whole container of this, then give it a background color of white, and I'll give it a drop shadow 5, 7, and 20. Okay, just like this. Okay, so from here I'll click on this menu, and I'll go to the style with the menu. Let me go back to the content, and I want to give it a background. Let me see our preview. Okay, it doesn't have a background. Okay, so let me remove this. Okay, so back here, I can make this color dark. Let me use my dark color. Okay, like this. Then this hover, I'll make it, I'll select this, make it this color. Okay. All right. So let me save this. Okay. Let me see if I have this red there. Okay, well, I already have this red here, so I'm not going to save it again. Okay, so as you can see, I will publish it like this, then preview, and you can see our first header, how it's looking. Okay, so let's go to our next header. So create another section here, go to Flexbox again, then I'll go to this. All right, but I want to give it a top margin of 30. 30 is okay. Let me make it 50. Let me make it 50. Okay. All right. Okay, 100 is okay for the top margin. Okay, so I want to have a gap here. Okay, so I'll click on this one. So let me first give it a height 120. Okay, like this. And I'll refresh it. Go here. Okay. So it looks good. My next section too, I will do the same. Give it 1200. Okay, so from here I'm going to remove this padding. Okay, I will do this padding, then I'll go back to my reference. Okay, and this is what we want to create. So I'll look for my element, my list element. So I'll go to list, then this is my list element. I'll copy it here, then I'll delete this one, then here I'll go to my reference, copy this text here. Okay, and I'll go back to my working environment, then I'll paste it here. Okay, so from here the icon, I'm going to select an icon, different icon, server. I'll copy it, then select this. Okay, so I'm going to change the text. So I'll go to style, text, the text family, I will use popping, and I will increase the font size. Let's make it 16. Okay, let's make it 16. Okay, I make it 16. All right, so from here I'm going to save it, publish it, but I wanted to do something. I wanted to add a container inside the main section and add this element inside that container. So let me add a container here. Okay, then I'll select this, add it inside the container. Okay, then I'll select that container and remove the padding of the container. Okay, like this. Okay, so that's what I want. So from here I'll select this and go to style, go to classic, then I want to select our background color, that is our sign. All right, so from here I'll go back to my text. I'll select my text, then go to text color, then select white. I'll come back to icon color too, I'll select white. So from here I'll select this container here and give it a padding of top 10, a padding right 40, then a padding bottom 10, a padding left 40. Okay, like this. So we've done with the first header. Oh, we have to add this one. So what I'm going to do, I will duplicate this one, then let's copy this text. Okay, then I'll go to this and enter this text here. So from here, I will select this container from here. Then I will go to layout and I will select this one. Okay, so from here, I will select this, then go to advanced. Then I will click on the size. I will go to grow. Okay, like this. Okay, so it's looking good now. I'll publish it and let's create this second one. Okay, so back to my working environment. So I'm going to add another container inside this. So I'll click on this container, drag it here below here, then leave it. Okay, then I'll click on this container here, then go to advanced, uncheck this one, then I will add an image. Let's see, I'll add an image. I'll add an image element. So let me go back to my element panel, go to image, copy the image, paste the image here. Then let me select my image, this one, open. Then let's go to style, decrease it a little, increase it like this, and I'll go to left align. So from here, I'm going to add my button. As you can see, we have some button here. So I'll go search for button, and I'll select this, leave it here. Then I'll customize my button. Then here I'll make it register. Okay, so I'll go to style. So from here, let me increase it, let me give it popping. Okay, let me make it popping. Let me make this one to popping. All right, and let me increase it, make it 15. Okay, so from here, let me add a background color, cyan. Okay, and here I can give it a padding of top 15, right, 20, like this, 15, 20. Okay, then let me check this one. Oh, okay, I'll make it, I have to make this one, the background white. Make this one the background white, like this. And the text color, we are going to use our dark color. Okay, so from here, okay, so from here, I'll go to box shadow, then click on box shadow. All right, like this. Okay, so after this, I'm just going to duplicate this one. I'll duplicate it. Okay, then I'll change this one to log in. Then I'll go to style. Then I'll change the background color to our cyan, like this. So from here, I'm going to select the whole of this container, then go to layout, then choose this. Okay, just like this. And I'll select this one, and I'll go to advanced and go to growth like this. Okay, so I'll select this again, go to style, decrease one like 20. I think that, let me decrease a little bit. Okay, like this. Okay, like this. So I'll select this container again, go to advanced, and I'll add some padding. Let me add a padding of 10, 40, 10, 40. Okay, like this. So from here, we are going to add some border. Okay, let me add some border to it. So I'll just click on this first container. I'll click on this first container. Then I'll go to style. Go to border, select solid. Then I'll uncheck this one. So our top border, I'll make it 1, bottom to 1. Okay, like this. So let me publish and preview. Okay, so this is what we have now. Okay, so as you can see, so let me go back, let me do some small adjustments here. Okay, I think it's okay. All right, so if I go back to here and I select this and I go to layout, I can make here, okay, like this 10. All right, and I refresh. Okay, I'll publish, then refresh it here, and you can see it's looking good. So let's go to our last one. Okay, this is the third one, the last one. So I'll add another container to this one. So I'll click this container, drag it here, leave it, untick this. Okay, so I'll untick this container. So let me check. I'll untick this one and add our menu element. So I'll go to my element panel, look for menu, and this is our menu. Add our menu elements here. Then we need another element called list. I'll copy my list here, drag it below, and I'm going to click delete this one. Then I'll go to my reference, copy this, go back to my working environment, paste it here. Then for the icon, I'm going to select a different icon called globe. Insert this one. Okay, so I'll go to style, go to text, then I'll change the text to popping, increase the font size to, let's say, 16. 16 is okay. Okay, so I'll click the whole of this container, go to layout, click on this, then I'll select this, go to advanced, go to growth. All right, so from here I'll select the whole of this container again, and I'll align this item to the middle. Okay, so as you can see, so I will select this menu, go to here, go to content. I'll go to content, then I'll change it to background here. Okay, like this. Okay, so from here I'll go to style, I'll go to style, and the hover color, I want to use our cyan for the hover color, like this. And the text, we are going to use our dark color for the text color, like this. Okay, so let's add some little spacing in between. Okay, little spacing between. Okay, let me add a little bit. Okay, like this, right? Okay, so from here, I'm going to select the whole of this container again. Okay, so let me check something here. Okay, select the whole of this container again and add some padding. So add a padding of 10 here, 40, 10, 40. Okay, so I'll select this, go to icon, then the icon color, I'll use my cyan color. Okay, like this. Okay, so here we are going to add a border on this one. Okay, so let me go to style, border, then I'll select the border type. Is going to be solid. Then I'll tick here, I want to add it to the bottom, so just one at the bottom, like this. Then I'll publish and preview. Okay, so this is how it's looking like, and you can see our first one has taken all the weight, so we want to make it the same. So I'll go back, select this container, this section, then I'll go to layout, container weight, full weight, like this. So I'll publish, and you can see, so I want to adjust the space between. So I'll select the whole of this container, come here, give it 0, publish. When I refresh, you can see we are having our beautiful header. So this is how to create a custom header in Elementor. It's very easy, and by following this tutorial step by step, you'll be able to build a very beautiful header for your website. Thank you for watching.